So welcome back to the session. Today topic is constraint motion in that application 2, and this topic is very important for especially NEET students. My humble request is please subscribe my channel Physics Hunt 3 for more educational videos. Okay, so coming to the topic, so look at this diagram. I have two objects M1 and M2. Okay, so these M1 and M2 which are connected by using a massless string, right? So M1 is hanging vertically downward direction and M2 is placed on the horizontal surface, and this is the rotatable pulley, right? So this pulley will rotate clockwise direction as well as anti-clockwise direction based on the more mass. Okay, now we know that whatever it may be the position of the object, the total weight always acting vertically downward direction. Here also the total weight is acting vertically downward direction only, right? Now look at the condition. Mass of the first body is greater than mass of the second body. So that's why M1G acting vertically downward direction, exactly opposite side, tension will be there. Even though the tension is acting upward, mass of the first body is more. So that's why the first body is coming downward direction. Therefore, the M1G act like a action, and tension will be the reaction, right? So I'm going to use Newton's second law, that is force is equal to mass into acceleration. I told you already, this force which is split into two parts, one is action minus reaction. Okay, so whenever a body is coming downward direction, this M1G act like a action, tension will be reaction. So therefore action is M1G minus reaction is tension is equal to M1 into A. Okay, so leave it this first part. So due to this first body coming downward direction, the second body always moves horizontal direction with some tension force, right? So therefore here tension force is equal to mass into acceleration. So that's why T is equal to M2A. Now add equation 1 and 2, minus T plus T cut. What is the remaining here? M1G is equal to M1 plus M2 into A. So here we are going to calculate only two things. One is acceleration, another one is tension. So from this equation, bring this acceleration left side. A is equal to M1G by M1 plus M2, isn't it? So let us assume this is equation number 3. So we got acceleration. The next thing we are going to calculate the tension, right? So for tension, I am going to use the second equation. What is the second equation? T is equal to M2A. Already I wrote here T is equal to M2A. So again, let us assume this is equation number 4. Look at here, acceleration formula you know. So directly you can substitute here. So T is equal to M2 into M1 G by M1 plus M2. Okay. So this is the tension formula. Now in some problems the diagram will be same, but instead of M1 they will treat as M2 this one, and this one is M1. In that case acceleration A is equal to M2G by M1 plus M2. Again I am telling, in some problems they will mention this mass is M2 and this mass is M1. In that case we will use this formula, otherwise this one. Okay, so I hope you understand. So based on this application, already I wrote one problem also here, because by solving this problem you can understand the clear content of this application. Okay, so let us see. The question is, two bodies of 5 kg and 4 kg are fixed to a string as shown in the figure. If the table and pulleys are smooth, then the acceleration of 5 kg mass will be dash. So look at the diagram same. So 5 kg mass is located here, 4 kg mass is located here with the help of massless string and rotatable pulley, right? So what they are asking here? Acceleration. What is the acceleration? I told you already. If it is M2 or more mass means M2. Okay, so more mass means we will use acceleration this formula. So what is the formula? A is equal to m2g by m1 plus m2. What is the m2 value? 5 kg into acceleration due to gravity value is, take 9.8 or 10, no problem, 10 by m1 value is 4 plus m2 value is 5. So numerator is 50, denominator is 9. So 50 by 9 means how much? How many times? 9 5s are 45. Again still we have 5 will be there. So you will get approximately 5.45 meter per second square. Okay, so that's it. So like these problems they will give in especially in NEET exam. I hope you understand. Thank you so much.